Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome back to Repair and Replace. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the handle in a TOTO Manual Flushometer. To begin, you'll need a handle assembly, a flat blade screwdriver, and a smooth jaw wrench. Flushometers or flush valves are just automatically timed self-closing valves. At rest, water is at equal pressure in the upper and lower chambers. This keeps the piston closed tightly on the valve seat. When the handle is pressed, the relief valve opens and releases water from the upper chamber, which decreases the pressure. High-pressure water from the inlet now lifts the piston up and travels down the flush pipe. During the flush, some of the water is forced back into the upper chamber through a small bypass hole in the piston. The flush continues until the pressure equalizes and pushes the piston down onto the valve seat. If the handle assembly is worn down or sticks, the flushometer may not function. Additionally, a worn handle might also cause short flushing if it fails to open the relief valve completely. You can replace the entire handle assembly or just the inside parts. First, shut off the water to the flushometer. Remove the cap and use a flat blade screwdriver to turn the screw clockwise until the control stop closes. Next, hold down the handle to remove any remaining water. Use a smooth jaw wrench to loosen the coupling. Now remove and discard the old assembly. Screw the new handle onto the flushometer and tighten with a smooth jaw wrench. Turn on the water by opening the control stop. Now test the flushometer and adjust the control stop until you get a normal flush with a quiet operation. Finally, replace the cap. If you found this video useful, then subscribe to our channel. We're constantly filming new content every week, so let us know what repairs you'd like to see next. Now, if you need a part for that repair, then explore our website. We stock thousands of hard-to-find parts, and we'll ship it out to you the same day. Thanks for watching.